Hi, I'm Sharad Vats. I belong to New Delhi and I'm currently working as a senior manager customer experience for a multinational company. My overall band score was 8. Well, I scored the highest in speaking, where I got 8.5. I would say I had a mentor who helped me prepare for it. And for speaking specifically, I would say there is an old notion that says if you want to speak confidently, then mirror is your best friend, and I would say that still stays true. So that did help me practice a lot, and eventually I was able to do well during the speaking exam. It involved a fair bit of effort in terms of reading reading about the current affairs. I also checked some of the videos and tutorials online to help me get familiarized with how the overall structure is. I, in fact, also had a mentor who helped me prepare a great deal for the exam. So there were various facets, I would say, that I actually employed to make sure that I am successfully able to do well in my exam. I would say overall the entire flow for the computer-based exam was pretty good. It took care of my handwriting problem that I usually have. Like at times I feel my handwriting is not that legible, so it helped me overcome that as a part. While I also felt that I didn't really need to copy my answers, which otherwise I read that I had to do in case I appear for a paper-based exam. So I think this feature is the most crucial because it ended up helping me save some time. I would say my weakness was more of around the writing section, wherein I was taking way too long to actually complete these sections. And I actually practice is the only thing that actually helped me, while also ensuring that I am reading about some of the current affairs and some of the ongoing trends in the through newspapers and through the digital media, so that I'm aware of what really is trending these days, and that helped me come up with some good solid arguments that I could use as part of my writing strategy. I actually just checked some of the random YouTube videos. Plus, I also visited the IDB website, wherein I checked some of the videos to help me understand how the overall flow is. And I would say these were really helpful in understanding how the overall computer-based test is. I would say just stay calm. That's the most important aspect. I just treated it as just another exam, and that is the only thing I would say, because a lot of people I have seen get nervous, and that can really hamper your overall progress and how you do in the exam. So I would say, yeah, just stay calm and take it just as another test. I would say the first and the foremost is strategize. You must strategize your plan as to how you would appear, how you would approach the various sections in the exams. That's most important. And secondly, practice. Make sure you are practicing enough so that you are able to assess your readiness. And once you feel confident enough, and you can always use the Cambridge book that you get as part of the kit. So I use that to assess my readiness, and that helped me that actually made me confident enough to be able to appear for the exam at one go. I would say just be confident enough that you can always do it. Make sure you practice, and that could always help you do very well in the exam. It's not that difficult, but of course it does require some diligence in terms of, and some patience. So just stay persistent, and I'm sure everyone would do well. All the best.